Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Margaritaville in Montego Bay, St. James has been temporarily closed. This is to facilitate repairs after structural damage due to ferocious waves which battered the popular attraction. Sandy Williams reports.
Waves hammering Margaritaville in Montego Bay, St. James. This is not construction. In fact, it's destruction. Here, floorboards have been destroyed, but that's just a fraction of the damage from the destructive waves on the tourist attraction. Ian Dare is chairman and CEO of the Margaritaville Caribbean Group.
Honestly, we've been in business for 28 years. And we have never seen this type of wave action and storm damage. We believe that what has taken place is probably a 1 in a 25 to 1 in a 30-year event. So hopefully we won't see that for a very long time. But we normally get this type of weather out of the northeast. And this time it came out of the west. And it came out very ferociously. And unfortunately, it did some considerable damage to Margaritaville, Montego Bay.
Due to the extent of the damage, Mr. Dare says the facility will be closed for 4 months.
We anticipate the damage has been structural in nature, and with the engineer, we should get our engineer report in the next few days. So we're hoping to be back out of construction, hopefully not more than 4 months. But it could be a little longer, it could be a little less, but we're really pushing hard to get back in business.
Pushing because the closure means financial losses.
Just the fact that we're closed in the premium time in our season, because this is the best time of our year, and the fact that we have structural damage anticipated, we think it's going to run into considerable sums, unfortunately. But it is what it is, and you know, we are resilient and we're coming back strong.
Already, rebuilding has begun.
With the negative space that we have experienced and the damage that has taken place, we think that much better is to come once we get it fixed and repaired. So that's our outlook, that's our team's outlook, and we're really looking forward to getting back on track.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.
The Bank of Jamaica BOJ says the foreign exchange market has remained relatively stable over the last year. Speaking at the central bank's quarterly press briefing, BOJ Governor Richard Biles says this reflects strong inflows from tourism and remittances.
Volatility in the foreign exchange market, BOJ has sold approximately US $907 million via its B-Fixit facility over the last 12 months ended January 2024. When these sales are set against BOJ purchases, however, the result is that the bank net purchased approximately US $1.3 billion over that same period. In the context of the stability in the exchange rate, the general downward trend in the dollarization has continued, with individuals and businesses reflecting an increased preference to hold Jamaican dollar assets in the DTIs.
At the end of trading today, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $157.34. The Canadian is being sold for $116.17. The pound is costing $198.69, while the euro is trading for an average $170.12. And to the stock market, the JSE index gained 1,512 points today, while the junior market index lost 22 points. Among the 46 winners were Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Blue Power Group, Caribbean Insurance Brokers, and Key Insurance Company. Now, the 40 losers were led by JMB Group, 7% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Kelly Group, CAC 2000, Sterling Investments US dollar shares, and Mayberry Group. Now 21 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading today. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.